Hello, Samson. I thought I would make a quick video because I'm afraid there might be some misunderstanding on how to do these annotated reading assignments. So this is the analysis of the first and second draft. And if you read the instructions here, and if you go down to these notes, there's a guide here that goes back to an earlier activity that describes how to annotate these essays or articles, whatever they may be. So if you go down here, what is being asked is that you look at this article and you use these tools right here to annotate, to highlight the strongest and weakest parts on it, to insert comments about vivid details, include observations. And so I'm going to use this tool, this arrow right here, to make it bigger. But I'm also, here, let me move this up a little bit so I can still see those tools. I'm going to use these tools, like right here is the highlighter. And if there is something that I think is done really well, I can highlight it. Or if I have something that I'm going to respond to, I can highlight it. I can change the colors over here if I wanted it to be blue. And then I can write my comment right in here. Okay, and so when it says annotate, when it says to highlight, it doesn't mean to metaphorically highlight. It means to literally highlight the paper. And so I can come down here and I can, highlight something else. I can come up here and click on this little pinpoint tool and just click on it and leave little comments like that. And I can go through and I can highlight and annotate the entire essay. Now these are the questions and they're asking you to, and I can click right here and get a typing tool and I can write my answers right here to these questions, okay, about the vivid detail and the message and all of that, okay. If there's a problem with using this tool, you can also download the essay and use a Word document annotation tool or anything that works for you. All right. If there's a problem, let me know. One thing though, and I understand that some people do have a problem with this tool, but another thing that I wanted to point out is I'm going to pull up your assignment right here. And for these assignments, we don't need a full cover page. We don't need anything like that. For instance, if I go back here, and once I'm done doing all of that, once I'm done answering and annotating right here on the paper, all I simply do is come down here and click submit. And that's all I need to do, right? And that submits the paper for me. And then I can, the instructor can then go in and look at your annotations. Okay, so you don't need to write the whole cover page and all of that. But one thing, I do see that you did try to answer some of the questions, which is great. But be sure to read the questions carefully. So it asks, some of the questions are asking you to find and look at the weakest part of the essay. It's asking you to look at the weakest part of the writing. Right here, you're actually describing the weakest part of the experience that this student wrote about her personal experience with her sisters. Now, the personal experience that the student writes about really doesn't matter. What we're doing is we're looking at this essay. Let me hit a new attempt and it'll open it up again for me. What we're doing is we're looking at the actual way the student wrote it, not so much what she wrote about, but how she wrote it, okay? And so when you answer these questions, look at the writing. Don't look at the subject that the person wrote about. Look at how she wrote it. What was the weakest part of her writing, not the weakest part of her experience. And it's the same thing with the vivid details. Not the details of her experience, but what kind of vivid details did she use in her writing to describe this experience? That's a very important difference that we're looking at, okay? So I just wanted to touch on that, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about this, okay? But I just wanted to make sure that you understood the assignment and what was expected, all right? Thanks, Samson.